So out of all the global controls, the black offset control is one of the most deceptively important. So let me show you how it works. So basically the black offset lets you define where the darkest pixels sit on the image. Adjustments made to black offset do not offset the entire signal. They only affect the darkest portion of the signal. It basically lets you set your black point with everything else moving around that point. So if I go to my black offset here and I start to increase it, keep an eye on the waveform, keep an eye on the shadows of the hair, you can see we're starting to get this pleasing flaring effect, basically a bit of a fade on the shadows. And you can see that's represented here by the waveform getting lifted and the black shadows getting lifted as well. Now that I've put my black offset there, any changes that I make, let's go into the shadows and pull them down. You can see if I keep an eye on that black offset, it's staying around where I've set the black offset point. So I can reduce my shadows, but still maintain this lifted black offset. Then if I put them down, they're going to get darker, and lift them up, and they're going to fade. I like using the black offset because it gives you a nice fade on the shadows and give you a nice cinematic look when you're adjusting it. And the other thing is you can actually make all your adjustments in your palette, and then maybe at the end you want to go in and tweak the black offset just to fine tune where it's sitting and, you know, finalize your image that way. So it's a really powerful feature and something that you should be aware of when you're using the HDR palette.